Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to configure our blog sidebar using the OceanWP theme. First, we need to go to the left sidebar, pages, all pages, and then we are going to select our blog page. And then we are going to click on the permalink and go to the page itself. And then we are on our blog page. We have our sidebar, and we are going to configure it by clicking on the top bar, customize. And here we are. And now we are going to the left where it says sidebar, and we are going to click on it. And as you can see, we can change the background color to our sidebar, padding where we want it. We are going to add some padding to the top and to the right. As you can see, it looks much better. And we have some of our widgets configuration on the sidebar. We can select the background color by clicking on background color, add some padding to the widget itself. We're going to add some 5 overall padding to it, like that. We can add some margin to the bottom of the widgets, and we can select the title, border colors, this part over here, and we can add some margin buttons pixels too. We can also configure the widgets itself by clicking on them like this. We are going to customizing widgets default sidebar, and we can show the number of recent posts, the number of recent comments, the archives, how to display as a drop down or show the post counts, the categories, and we can show them to display as a poster as a drop down to a post count or show the hierarchy, and some metadata if we want to add, like site admin logout and so on. And we can also add some change in blog entry the layout of the bar if we want it on the left, on the right, the order on the mobile, and some of the blogs entries to the size of the image on the post, and so the position. And we can add some custom image width, height, and change the color of our categories, the hover, like that, the color of the comments, as you can see, so leave it as a default, it looks good, the color of the dates, and we can display some previews of the comments and the pagination style, standard, infix, next, and prep. And we can add an overlay on image hover if we want, on some heading tag, and we can also edit the layout of our post. We can have a full width, sidebar to to the right, and we can use the header title with the post title, and we can also add the featured image in the page header and full width of the content, and we control the positioning of the items on the post. We can also select the taxonomy of the post and related post count and columns, and the taxonomy of the related post, and the width and height of the related post image. In this case we cannot see them because we have a single post. So that's it. We have configured our blog sidebar and post using the OceanWP theme. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.